Okay, so last one. Allow the user to select two categories by name and use the add operator to add those two categories together, and then add the new category into the list of categories. So um, this should be relatively straightforward. So for the console, let's do join playlists. So join playlists. And then that's going to be JP is join to playlists. And then LF choice is JP cls.join playlists. And then class method join playlists. So playlist 1 is going to be select playlist, and playlist 2. So do I want to allow them to do the all videos playlist? I mean, I guess. So let's do include all playlists is true. That really should be include all videos. Let me refactor, rename. So include all videos. And then let me just double check that actually worked. So select playlist has include all videos now. Good. Okay. So I'll test that as well. But so I have playlist 1, and then if playlist 1 is none, return. And then I have playlist 2. If playlist 2 is none, return. And then I need a new name. So I think that's going to be in the add. So new playlist is equal to playlist 1 plus playlist 2. And then I'm going to do cls.allplaylists .append new playlist. And then print joined playlists. Right. So now for adding the two things together, that's going to be a dunder method on playlist. So we're going to override the under add method. So under add, and then that takes self, which is the playlist, you say playlist, the first playlist, and then other is going to be the thing on the other side of the plus sign. So playlist 1 is going to be self, and playlist 2 is going to be other. So first we want a name, which is going to be formatted string self.getName / other.getName. And then if I want to make a playlist, what I need is name, video, thumbnail, description. So, okay, so name and videos are pretty easy. Thumbnail and description, don't really know what I would use here if I was joining two videos together. So, I mean, really, I would want to join those images together into one big image. That's tough. So I'm just going to use none for thumbnail, and then I will concatenate the descriptions together. So this would actually be a good thing to let the user update, is the thumbnail for a playlist. Actually, maybe I'll just take the thumbnail for the first thing and leave it at that. But I will join the two descriptions together. So, yeah. So just because it's hard, I'm not going to worry about it too much. So we'll do, so this is new name. And then we'll do thumbnail is going to be self.getThumbnail. And then description is going to be self.getDescription plus comma, well, I'll just put a space there, plus other.getDescription. And then for the videos, that's just going to be empty. So new playlist is playlist. Actually, was that capital L? Yeah, that's capital L. Playlist. So name, should be name videos, I think. Here. Yeah, name, videos, thumbnail, description. So for videos, it's going to be an empty string, and then thumbnail and description I have. And then, so now I have an empty playlist, and I'm going to do for video in self. I'm going to do if video not in new playlist dot append video, and then for video in other, if video not in new playlist dot append video, and then I'm going to return new playlist. So that's going to be the sum of those two things. All right. So that should be it. Let's go ahead and try it out. I mean, I think it would be cool if I actually used a graphics package to glue those two pictures together, the two thumbnails. There's actually something called Pillow that is an image manipulation library that's not too hard to do that, but it's beyond the scope of the class, so I'm not going to worry about it. So let me print the playlists, and then I'm going to join Patti Smith to Bruce Springsteen. So show Bruce Springsteen, and then show Patti Smith. Okay, and then I'm going to join playlists. Let's do Patti Smith first, and then Bruce Springsteen. And it says join playlist, so let's print the playlists. And so at the end I have Patti Smith / Bruce Springsteen, and then and it's printing, yeah, and it joined the descriptions together as well. Okay. All right. And then let's go ahead and show playlist. Patti Smith and Bruce Springsteen. And so here's the Patti Smith, and then here's the Bruce Springsteen. And then I should be able to join two playlists together that have the same videos without getting duplicates. So let's join playlists again. And this time I'm going to join 4 to 2, and then now I should have a new playlist, and I do. So here's my new playlist, but if I print the contents, I should still only have those 3 videos. So show playlist 5, and I still have the same 3 videos as before, so that seems to be working correctly. And then just for fun, I'm going to delete the playlists, and we'll delete 3, and we'll delete playlist 3 again, and then we'll print the playlists, and I just have the 2. So it looks like everything's working.